This major infrastructure provider handles more than 20,000 customer interactions per day. A motivated attacker could have caused catastrophic damage to their business, leveraging the weaknesses that we've identified in this engagement. The approach from the client was, we don't want a regular pen test where we help you guys. We only going to provide you with few information about the targets, of course. That's what you're going to know. Your job is to hack us and tell us how you did it and how you can recover from it. We started with known brute force attacks. We were able to compromise a few of their credentials. Those credentials gave us access to multiple sensitive systems. We raided their emails. We got so much information, including credentials, to get a VPN access. From that VPN access, we were able to gain access to their entire environment. We went to the site. We started roaming the public access area. We identified a fast food chain where it was close to their offices and had wireless access. Using the externally compromised credentials, we gained access to the wireless network, and that led to a full compromise of all their systems and sensitive environment, including control systems. A hacker would have been able to roam the entire CCTV of the entire building. They would have been able to stop, delay, or reroute existing paths of transport that could have caused severe damage to the organization. This style of simulated attack is a great way of demonstrating what a motivated attacker could do to your business in a controlled way, so that you can better prepare your defenses.